Look what the mailman left here today. But I can't open it. Easy, Froshi. He thinks there's a giant fly bone inside. To open it, we need a special key. A triangle key. Can you see the triangle key on the shelf? Point to it. Djalu and friends. Froshi, we won't be able to do it that way. We did it! Look! Blue, red, and yellow balls.
Blue is the color of Djalu. Red is the aqua for me and you. Yellow is the sun so bright. And Froshi wants to play all night.
Sharing with friends is the best part of the day. Right, Froshi? High five! Click the like button and subscribe for more adventures. See you next time! Hey little friend, don't forget to subscribe to Djalu and Friends.